Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Happy Tuesday. Today guys, we are kicking off our new series, how to get started with Adobe Photoshop tutorials. And guys, we basically will start with ground zero and we will build up our skill with every single stream. So if you never worked with Photoshop before, today is your day. So guys, let's start. Let me switch to my desktop camera, just like this. And as you can see, I have opened Adobe Photoshop. Currently, I'm located in the home screen of Adobe Photoshop on a desktop. Under the home screen session, you can see we have a few tabs. First tab is a recent tab. Here under a recent session or tab, you can find all your documents you recently worked with. You can organize, you can sort them by recent, name, size, and kind. You can switch between the grid view, the list view, and the grid view. Also, you can build your skill. If you will click on this tutorial, you will be redirected to a website where you can learn what is new in Photoshop on iPad. And also, if you will click on Go to Learn, you will learn Adobe Photoshop. Under Home tab, we have a Learn tab. Under Learn session, you will find all tutorials. This tutorial will help you to improve your Photoshop skill. Under it, we have a Lightroom Photos tab. If you will click on it, here guys, under Lightroom Photos session, you will find all your Lightroom albums, even recent photos. And guys, under Lightroom Photos, we have Cloud Documents. I love Cloud Documents, using Cloud Documents every day. Cloud Documents are all your documents you can access from anywhere. You can access your Cloud Documents from anywhere on the go. You can access your Cloud Document from your Adobe mobile application, from your Adobe desktop applications. Under Cloud Document sessions, also you can sort your Cloud Documents by date modified, name. You can organize, you can switch between the list view and the grid view. If you will click on three dots icon under Cloud Document thumbnail, you will be able to rename your Cloud document, delete your Cloud document, or move to another folder. If you will click to move to another folder, you will be able to click on any available folder to move this particular document to this folder. Also, you can create this folder from this icon. Simply click on this icon and you will be able to create new folder, rename it, and you're ready to go. I love Cloud Documents. I work with Adobe mobile applications a lot, with Adobe desktop applications a lot, and Cloud Documents helps me to jump between mobile and desktop workflow without spending time for uploading my documents from somewhere or doing all these necessary steps. If I will save my document as a Cloud document, I can access my Cloud document from anywhere. And by the way, all your artwork you create in Adobe Fresco on iPad or in Adobe Photoshop on iPad is auto-saved as a Cloud document. So, example, you started working on your project using Adobe Photoshop on iPad or Adobe Fresco on iPad, and you will close your applications and you will open your Photoshop, click on a Cloud Document session, and under Cloud Document session, you will be able to find your project you currently worked on using mobile applications. So we have extra tabs, very helpful tabs. Create new. If you will click on Create New tab, you will be able to use templates to create your document. Again, if you want to work, currently I'm located in a recent a tab. Under recent tab, I will find all my recent documents I was worked with. Saved, here I will find all my saved documents. I mean templates. If I would like to start working on my photo project, I will click on Photo tab, and under Photo Presets tab, I will be able to find all photo presets I can start working with. Same with print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. Example, if I will click on print and I will highlight my letter ready to go preset, on the right screen, on the right side of new document window, guys, we have preset details. Even if we highlighted preset and we want to start working on our project using this preset, it doesn't mean we cannot customize our preset. We can customize our preset. First of all, we can change name. Hello all, very strange name, but we can remember it. We can change width, height, we can switch between inches, pixels, centimeters. We can switch between orientation, just like that. We can change resolution. Also, we can switch between pixels, centimeters, pixels, and inches. We can change a background to any color we want. By default, we have few options: white, black, background color, which we have in our background swatch, transparent, or we can use custom background. Guys, as you can see, everything is up to you. So let me click on my recent document, and before I will click create, I would like to bring your attention to open tab. If you will click on open tab, you will be able to open your document you previously worked with. So let's create our new document, and voila. Before I will forget, guys, and I forgot already, if you would like to jump right into Photoshop, passing by home screen, you can do it as well. Now I'm currently located in the home screen of Adobe Photoshop on iPad app, and at the left top corner of my application, I have Photoshop logo. This logo, you have it as well, of course. Click on this logo and you will be redirected to Adobe Photoshop Workspace passing by home screen. If you would like to come back to your home screen at any time, simply click on this home icon and voila, you will be redirected back to your home screen. It's easy, it's fast, everything is up to you, guys. So now, let's talk about our workspaces. And we will talk about our workspaces deeply later on, not today, during our next live stream. Currently, I'm located in my essential default workspace. I can customize my workspace. I can create a new workspace depending on my project I'm working on. Example, if I'm working on my painting, I will customize my workspace based on my painting needs. If I will work on photo restoration, I will customize my workspace based on my photo restoration needs, and go on and go on. How you can customize? Again, guys, we will talk about this deeply during our next streams, but I would like to bring your attention. I would like to let you know how powerful Photoshop is. So without even creating any art, in doing anything, we can customize Photoshop based of our needs, and I love it a lot. Let's talk about Toolbar. Now I have Toolbar with all my tools. Definitely I don't use all these tools all the time. I don't use, example, 3D material drop tool in my painting workflow. I don't use, example, mostly I don't use type tool in my painting workflow as well. So I don't need these tools. How can I customize my tool? I will go to edit. I will click on toolbar, And here, guys, as you can see, let me expand it, make it bigger. Customize toolbar panel has two sessions. First session, left session, my left session. You can see it's toolbar session. Here we have all tools which we can find in our toolbar. Next session is extra tools. What is the difference? Example, again, I don't use example slice tool in my painting workflow. I will click on this slice tool and I will drag this slice tool into my extra tool space. And now, if I will save, I will click on done, customizing my toolbar. I will not have this slice tool in my toolbar. Don't panic, it doesn't mean I deleted, I permanently removed this slice tool from my toolbar. No, I just, this tool is hidden. I can access this tool at any time. And by the way, I can restore my default toolbar simply clicking on restore default. I will click done. And now, guys, you can see that in my toolbar, I have 3 dots. I will click on these 3 dots, long press, long hold, and I can access to all my extra tools. Tools are removed from my toolbar because I don't use some tools in some specific workflow. It's easy, it's fast, guys. Try it. Now, let's talk about menu. I love customizing my menu because I'm a visual person, and applying color labels to my menu helps me visually, helps me to be more productive. I will click on edit, I will click on menus, and here, guys, again, we will talk about this more deep later on. Today, I would like to show to you how we can apply color label to your menu. Example, I will click and expand file menu, and here I have save option, save menu. I will click on it and I will change color to green, just like that. Why? Because save is always good. Even if Photoshop has amazing after save option on running on background, still no one will say, no, I don't want to save my document. We all saving as document as much as possible, as we remember. So I applied green label to my save menu. Now I will click on close, and to close menu, I will apply a red color label. Why? Because I'm a visual person, and now I will remember that. 1 second, guys. Let me click on it. Yes, just like that. And now, guys, I will if by mistake I will click on close menu, I visually will see the red label just screaming, stop, are you sure you want to close this document? And before I will say yes, close this document, I will think double. So again, I'm a visual person. Colored labels help me a lot. After I apply different colors to different menus, I will click OK. And now if I will go to File, you can see, let me show to you, that I have Close menu in red and Save in green. That's awesome. Let's talk about how we can apply color labels to your layers panel. Sorry. First of all, let me create very simple shape, just like this. And if I will right click on my rectangle shape layer, I will be able to apply different colors labels to different layers. if I'm sure that I love this layer, I don't want to customize it. I don't want to be back to this layer to apply different modification or add or remove anything. This layer looks exactly as I wanted. I will apply green colored label. My background is simply boring right now. It's a white background without no information, nothing. And I'm not sure if I will leave it as it is, as white background, or I will add more details, more assets to this background. Now this background locked. To unlock any layer, simply click one time. You don't need to click twice. Click on layer lock icon, and voila, you will be able to unlock your layer. Right click on my background layer, and I will apply orange label to this layer. Why orange, not red? Because I don't hate this layer, because I'm not sure if I will be back to this layer to change anything, or I will leave it as it is. So it's orange. It's just like telling me, double check if you want to add something. It's not screaming, oh, do something, or it's not green. It's not saying to me, I'm safe. Are you happy with me? You happy with my layer? So this is a great visual representation of your workflow. Our layers panel has a very powerful menu. You can access to this powerful menu simply clicking on this very small accordion menu. You will click on it and you will expand this all goodness. I love this menu. First of all, again, we will talk about this later on deeply. Today, I would like to show to you panel options. If you will click on panel options, you will be able to specify, to customize your layers panel. You can specify thumbnail size. I always specify my thumbnail size to largest one because it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. Also, you can specify thumbnail content and use default mask to fill layers, expand new effect, add copy to copied layer and groups. This is, guys, this is my personal preferences. I love my layers panels options setup as it is. Let me zoom in for you. So this is absolutely my favorite. If you would like, you can copy it. You can apply same changes to your layers panel and click OK, and voila. Again, guys, layers panel is very powerful panel, extremely powerful panel. We will talk about this more deeply during our next streams. And this is what I wanted to share with you today, guys. As I promised, it will be very short introduction how to get started with Adobe Photoshop basics. So if you never worked with Adobe Photoshop, just download Adobe Photoshop and start playing. Start with your home screen. Start customizing your recent files by I don't know, by name, size, and kind. You never know which how you would like to customize your recent file or your cloud documents before you will try it. And by the way, guys, I have these questions all the time from you. How you can clean up, remove your recent document. You can go to File, open Recent, and you need to click on Clear Recent File List. When you will click on it, Photoshop will remove recent files from your home screen. For these files from your home screen, and that's it. Photoshop didn't remove them from anywhere else. And about Lightroom photos, if you would like to open any image from your Lightroom directly from Photoshop, simply click on your album, expand it, click on any image or few images or many images, it's up to you, and you can see this image in a Photoshop. Also, guys, oh, I'm sorry, guys, desktop left. I'm sorry, guys, I missed it. Let me redo it. Okay, home screen. If you would like to remove your recent documents from Photoshop, home screen, simply go to Files. You know what, guys? Let me do this. Let me custom just like this. Save cloud documents, save cloud. So this is my home screen with my recent file. I can have many files like we had before. I can have 10 files, 15 files, or one file. How you can remove your recent files from your home screen? You will go to File, open Recent, and clear Recent File List. You will click on it, and voila, Photoshop will remove this file from your home screen. And again, it's Photoshop didn't remove this any of your files from any other locations. Photoshop removed this file only from your home screen. If you will click on Lightroom Photos and you would like to open any image from your Lightroom album, simply click on this album. Click on any image you like. You can click on one image, on multiple images. Click on Import Selected, just like that, and Photoshop will open your image in Photoshop, your file in Photoshop. Guys, you can access to your search for tools or your image directly from the app. You can search in Photoshop or learn stock or Lightroom photos. It's up to you. You can switch between your workspaces directly from this right top corner. You don't need to go to Window and Workspace. You can do it as well, but it's a shortcut. Simply click here, and here you will find all your workspaces. Next tab is my favorite. It's a Share an Image button. You will click on it and you will be able to share your image. You will be able to share your original image in original size, or you can share your image in small size. It's up to you. You will be able to share this image via messages, AirDrop, add this document or image to notes, add to photos, or add to your reminders. Guys, did you notice that Add to Lightroom Photos option is disabled? It's because you can't add your image to Lightroom before you will save this image. So if you will save this image, you will be able to add same image to your Lightroom album. And this is, guys, yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you today. And if you want to save your image, your document as a cloud document, you can do it directly from Photoshop. So, example, I will click on Save, and now Photoshop will ask me, do I want to save this image as a cloud document or on my computer? On your computer or on my computer means that you can save your document anywhere you like, on your computer or your local drive, on Dropbox, on Amazon Drive or Google Drive, anything you like. Cloud documents means that you will save this image to your cloud document, and you will be able to access this document from anywhere at any time, even if you without Wi-Fi. So, but you need to specify this option as well. So, guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Yes. Again, if you never worked with Photoshop before, just go download Photoshop. Just play with your home screen with your go through learn session. Try cloud documents. I love cloud documents. Using cloud documents all the time. I cannot imagine my life without cloud documents because I'm working on my project using Adobe Desktop, External Drive, or anything else. All my projects are available for me at any time from anywhere without spending extra time, and I love it. Thank you. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you, and as always, I'm repeating myself, but I will do it anyways. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you and if you want me to record some specific tutorial or stream about some specific topic, just let me know. I'm always looking for topic because I'm streaming anyways. I'm recording my videos anyway, but I would like to be more helpful for you. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm always here. Thank you so much guys for your time. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue our series painting lessons from start to finish. We will paint still life in Photoshop. Don't afraid, it will be super easy, you know me. And on Thursday we will talk about how you can create artistic text in Adobe Photoshop on iPad. Yes, on iPad. I love Adobe Photoshop on iPad. So guys, thank you. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Stephen. Yes, absolutely. Pen tool in Photoshop or Illustrator. I can do both anyways. Pen tool is very powerful tool. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Today I streamed at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, but for some reason something went wrong, and I'm restreaming right now with same topic. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.